So here's the Vevor. I think it's a 5 to 8 person fishing hut, fishing tent. It's insulated. It weighs about 32 pounds. It comes in this bag, which comes in a box. Hopefully nothing fell out. It looks to be open. But yeah, I'm just gonna take a look at what this this thing is to set up. So when I'm out in the field, I can do it pretty quickly. So it comes with the windows. It comes with some bars, and I guess these would be the hooks or the anchors, and the instruction manual. Right, so is there, here are the directions. So it's saying put the roof up first and pull the roof up, and then go around pulling each side. And then there's support rods for the door, which I guess it's these, which must go inside here. I'm guessing. I guess we'll set that up and figure it out as we go. And this is the storage. So collapsing is around, go around the sides, and then the roof last. So it comes with the bag, it comes with the ground stakes, the rope. Oh, there's rope in here. Guy rope, and the stakes are there too. And the tent itself. Alright, can't really do this one-handed. I don't have a tripod, so let me like pause it. I'll get to step one and then I'll show you the next step. Actually, this might help for putting it away. See, it comes folded up like this. So this is the bottom, and then you just scoop up all the bars together, and then you can tie it together with this rope. I'll put aside. So I see like the first step would be to just flip it open, so that you can get access to the roof, which is here, which is the center. And yeah, I'll pull on that. I guess you just pull on this rope or something. I'll have to look again. I have to pull this up, and then I'll do the sides. Okay, don't do the instructions. This is so hard to pull from the inside. This is easier. You open the door, go inside, and now you can't see anything. Here we go. And you just push up. You push this up until it pops up. And I'm assuming you can do that for all the sides too here. So I need two hands, but you just push all of these out. There's 1, 2, 3. This one I already pushed. So 4. And it should open up. Let me try that now. Yeah, indeed it was much easier to do it from the inside. So I can open the door. Oh, this thing is massive. The material is definitely insulated, not too much, but a fair amount. It's supposed to be waterproof, and here I guess are the windows you can put in, the plastic pieces that come there. So they don't have, you can close this, yeah. They don't have the Velcro on the inside, so I guess the glass goes over top of this. I mean, I could probably just add some hook and loop on the inside. Whichever this one is, hook or loop. And then I can put them from the inside. It's probably easier, but probably not, because you got to roll this up here anyways if you want to leave it open. And There's apparently a vent somewhere. So these are windows. That's the window. This is probably the vent. Yeah. So it has some sort of breathable screen here. And there's another window here. So there's a window on, I guess, on the 4 sides. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna make another video on disassembling it. Although it's pretty much self-explanatory. You just push these in. They do bulge in easily when I was unfolding it. Some of them wanted to go back in. So you gotta be careful with that. Here are the stakes. So I'm guessing there's gonna be stakes on every corner. Oh, and the rod. I mean, why would you need that rod? I'm gonna check the manual and then see what that rod is actually for, because technically you could use it the way it is now. I don't see why not. But let me figure out what these are for. And let me see. Okay, so I'm not 100% sure what these rods are for, but they say they're door supports. So what I did was, there's these Velcro straps here. They're like 2-piece bars. There's 2 of them. So I'm assuming you just strap them in here, and then there's a spot pocket for the top. So I guess it adds extra rigidity in this section where you're missing support. But I mean, I think it's probably not super necessary, although, you know, wouldn't hurt to have these in here. So they just can't really do it with one hand, but it goes into that pocket like so. And I guess to take it down, you would start with these. You would take these posts down. They'd fold away like so. All right, put these in the box. And then you'd pull these in. So starting out, see, like that. So it's actually easier to fold it down than it is to fold it up. But if I can actually step on the material. Okay, I can't do it with one hand. You basically have to pull on the edges towards you while pushing on this. But that's it. And here, let me actually fix this so I can give you an inside tour. Okay, so both rods are in the door support. The zipper looks nice and thick and heavy duty, so that's good. I've read some reviews about the other non-insulated one with problems with the zipper, but this looks heavy duty. Everything here, and the inside, I'd have to measure. It says it's like, I think 130 by 130. So probably this way 130, this way 130. It looks about right. It's like 35 square feet. Here's one of the windows I opened. I guess you could operate this from the inside somewhat, but yeah, the strapping here, it's just gonna close. But I mean, they did it on the outside for a reason, so that the water doesn't get in, because this thing is waterproof. And if you had the strapping on the inside, you could, if it's wet out, it could get in. So I see what they did there. So that's the vent. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 windows plus the door. Zips up like so. Oh, and there's an outlet here thing. I guess you could use like that for like a solar panel or for your gas propane tank. If you have a buddy heater in here, which I will have. In the center, it's pretty high. On the edges, I'm like 5'9.5". I mean, like once you're below this line, you're gonna have to crouch down. But like overall in the center, if you're like 6 feet, whatever, it's gonna be fine. I think it's 80 inches in the center. And then that's the way you close the window or open the window. This doesn't have, oh, this one you could remove completely. Vent. So that's the full tour of, setting this thing up, what it looks like. Super easy to put it up. And putting it down will be probably even easier, which I'll leave for another video. Maybe I'll get one of my kids to record it so I can do the whole thing in one shot. All right, cheers.